So, jelly bird clusters. That sounds like some sort of recipe in Grandma's cookbook. Jelly bird clusters. So, today I'm here, Thrifty Thursday. I'm not doing a haul. Um, Mainly because I haven't been doing thrift hauls lately. I've been very reserved in that area this year. But that doesn't mean I haven't gone and window shopped, and doesn't mean I haven't gone and picked up one or two things here and there. I just haven't gone and done a big haul, so that's why you haven't seen any haul videos lately. But Thrifty Thursday to me is all about thrifty things. It's not necessarily a haul. So I got to thinking. I went to the thrift store, antique store, or whatever, a couple weeks ago, and I picked these up, these little bird tags. And just because they were cheap and there was a bunch of them, and I was like, oh, these are vintage. And what are these? These are so cute, little birds. They are songbirds of the United States. This one's been scribbled on. But there's a series, and it says, save your Welch's bird cards on a wall chart. So that tells me, oh, there's duplicates. Oh, ooh, that's interesting. Oh, the woodpecker's got a little rubber band on him. But anyways, that tells me that you could maybe possibly get these on Welch's grape jelly or Welch's jelly of some sort. They don't have a date on them. I'll have to look that up and see kind of what these are. But anyways, these duplicates I'm going to go ahead and pull out just because. I didn't realize I haven't really gone through these. I just kind of flipped through them and thought, oh, these are some pretty birds. So jelly bird clusters. What I was thinking was doing some little clusters with some scraps. I went through my scrap bin and pulled out some scraps. And I've got these little jelly cards, and they're all, the same size. And then I've got this, these word stickers that are just plain, just single words. They're not quotes or sayings or anything like that. They're just words. And so I thought maybe we could do some clusters with these songbirds and see what we come up with. Now, I'm kind of thrown off because now I want to go through each and every one of them and figure out my duplicates. So maybe I'll do that real quick. I'll put you guys on pause and I'll figure out what we're working with here. And then I'll be right back. And if you want to see me sort these, sorry. I'm sure there's a whole host of people that, like myself, would sit and watch people sort stuff. But I'm not going to waste your time with that. So I'll be right back. We are back and we are sorted. So these are all singles that I'm going to work with and I'm going to keep for myself. And then I have 3 little stacks of extras. So 30 duplicates, 3 little stacks of 10. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to work with these guys, and then I'm going to set these 3 little stacks aside, and I'm going to open it up to let you comment if you are interested in these little guys. I'm happy to send them out. Like I said, there's 10 of them in the stack, so I've got 3. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're interested in some little bird tags, and we'll just I'll pick some random folks. I act like there's going to be a whole bunch to choose from. You never know. But I'll pick some random folks and I'll mail them out. USA or Canada, either one. They should be fairly cheap because there's just 10 of them. So you make a little comment, let me know, tell me what you think, and we'll go from there. So moving on. I have, this is perfect. Perfect size. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of work with what I got here. Ooh. And I'm going to kind of do these in a mass make fashion. And I will say this, it's a beautiful day out. My doors and windows are open. And so you may hear my neighbors out there bouncing around. Look at all these beautiful little birds. I know you guys, I know I've got some bird lovers on my feed. So you guys just let me know. Like I said, I've got extras, and I don't foresee that I'll use all of them. And so, again, I'm open to letting some of them go. We're going to trust that glue stick is going to work on these. So I'm gluing them down. I'm going to glue them down, and once I get them glued down, I'll trim them up, and I'll have like a strip with some border. And we'll start making our little tags. We'll just see what we can come up with. And they may be simple little tags, just, you know, some background in the word. I might zhuzh them up, who knows. My neighbor's leaving. So they're neat little tags. They're neat little cards. They have the name of the bird on the back side. Of course, a beautiful picture on the front side, and the name on the back of the bird on the back side with a little bit of information about them. They have the little number 21, set of 50, series 4, all that good stuff. But I'm not going to let my OCD take over and see if I have a series or anything like that. I got them at a flea market, and I just thought they were neat, and so here we are. And I'm happy to share. So how's that for some thriftiness? Mike can get you some free little bird tags to make your own little jelly bird clusters. I just thought that was a funny name. Because they are jelly birds. I mean, they're birds from the jelly Welches. And I guess I'm really not making clusters out of them. I guess I could, but they're more like tags or labels, but who knows? Who knows how they'll turn out? Okay, let's set those aside and let them dry a little bit. And I got this little, this probably needs, let's see, I also have these little, they are little packaging thingies that would be fun to work with. I mean, I'm not going to have to back them because my thought process is that I'd have this little tag and I could glue it in a journal to decorate. So I won't have to worry about the back. And I'm just adding them here, so I'll give them a little cutout and trim. So we'll have a little border is what I'm trying to say. And, you know, now that I think about it, some of them can be cut. We'll do that with, well, we won't do it with that one. Maybe we'll do it with that one. I mean, I guess we could do it with that one. I don't know, I'm just kind of talking to myself here. I'm kind of talking to myself and y'all are listening along. How's that? I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. trusting that the glue stick is going to hold these to this kind of slicky material. And again, I'm doing these kind of in a mass make fashion, and I'll come back through and add some words or something else. More than likely words. I have that packet of words that is, they're just one single word, and it's fairly new. I don't know where I got it, but these tags will be so small that it's not like I can put, I mean, I guess I could, but it's not like I could really put a lot of wording around them or on them, so I think I don't know how many of these I'll make. I'm just kind of going with the flow, however it feels. Mockingbird. We have those around here. Some of these birds I've never seen or heard of, but let's see here. What else do we have? We have this one. We'll just keep going with that, I guess. Ooh, that's kind of light. Maybe I won't go with that. Maybe I will have this. Yeah, maybe I'll go with this for a minute. This is a piece of Eco dyed paper in my scraps. Did I not glue that one down? That feels weird, but okay. Maybe I didn't. Now I gotta worry about the glue stick sticking to the Eco dyed paper. What is up with that? Yeah, what is up with that? Okay, well, we won't use much of that. We'll cut it off, cut our losses on that one real quick. Toss that back in my scrap pile. Moving on to something else. Yeah, because those aren't going to stick. I have to use weld bond on those. Isn't that funny how that works? May just be the wrinkles they didn't want to work around, but we'll just work with that. Okay, carrying on. I don't know that I'm going to have very many that go with this. What am I going to do him? I'm just going to go ahead and go with the weld bond. Just else kind of go with this? You kind of go with this. So I thought this would be a fun way to do Thrifty Thursday again, because I haven't been doing very many hauls lately, and the Thrifty Thursday hashtag, I'm not 100% sure where it originated. Where I saw it was Cindy over at Studio Lou, because I tend to see a lot of stuff over there. She's got a lot of stuff going on. But with that said, it's hashtag Thrifty Thursday, not Thrift Haul Thursday. So it doesn't necessarily mean you have to have a haul going on. You could do other things that are thrifty. And the more I thought about that, I thought, yeah, you know, let's just work with that. So where am I at on time? 12 minutes showing, but I know that there was some other... No, I've got some other time because I took a pause. So I think I'm still good on time, I guess is what I'm saying. And again, I'm just using up bits and scraps from my scrap pile as a background. This, I think, was a packet from, I keep wanting to say last year's, but my April Junk Journal Round Robin. I think it's probably from Cindy. It's a book page. But it's pretty. And I saved it for a reason. Let's do this. I think I might want to use the other side. Look at me being all picky. What else do I have over in my stash? I got this. I think I'll only be able to fit one on this. Because of the way it's shaped, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't think I can use it for another one. That's okay. I got some more of this. Why not? like I said, I'm working in a mass make fashion. And nothing wrong with that. It's actually kind of fun sometimes to do that. And we have 3 yellow ones, and I think what I'm going to do with these guys is plunk them down on this and call it a day. Okay, everybody's glued down. And now everybody needs to be patted down because everybody's acting up. You know, I was all not trusting of the glue stick, and I think the glue stick ones are holding better than any of them. Silliness. Okay. That's a lot of cards, but we're going to roll with it. I'm not stressing too much about sizes or shapes or anything like that. As far as straight lines and all that good stuff. So what I was talking about earlier is leaving a shape, leaving a little bit up top to make it into a tag. And on some of them I will. Some of them I just want as a cluster though. Not any particular ones or anything like that. And these, I was going to try to tear around them. Look at that beautiful little scrappy scrap. Isn't it funny we hang on to the littlest of bits? These all cut. And so you can use these as little cluster tags in your journals, or you can back them and I'm going to leave that hanging. It's got a little sticky tape on it, but I'm going to leave it hanging just because I like it. Or you can back them and, you know, to give them a little bit more sturdiness and use them as little tuck spots or pockets. A whole host of uses. Yeah, see, I just can't get rid of some of these scrappy bits for some reason. Just something about them. Okay, we are all torn out. Ooh, that's a lot. That's okay. We're still going with it. And I'm still good on time. So now I've got my little sticker book. I'm going to kind of spread these out because, again, I'm working in a mass make fashion. And I just want to kind of I was thinking I would start with there's tan words and white words, and the tan words I was feeling like I would be the ones that I would need, but a white word would go on these. I assume that there's words in here that we can use. This says home. And you know what? I'm going to get us a little dish of glue because, you know, stickers. And I'm going to get us a little, well, it's not really a little paintbrush, but we're going to go this route with it. No, I didn't want to put him on that. I want to put him on this one that had a little home on it. It's got a little house on it, or barn or something on it. Anyways, carry on. Oh, this is house. I'm basically just looking for words that, like, believe, friends, friendship. We'll put believe on this little hummingbird. Adventure. Put him on this little card. What was I gonna do on this? Traveler. Because he looks like he's traveling. Okay, do I want some white words on these? Let's see what else we got. I mean, I guess these darker ones can... Discover. The woodpecker can be discovering. I left that one kind of big, but you know, that's okay. Together. These guys can be together. Oh, come on. And let's move to the tan ones. There's another together. Here's another believe. Put that with this guy. He looks like a believe. Let's do a discover. Who wants to discover? This little bird wants to discover. I could be using my tweezers, but we're doing treasure on this guy because this little bird has found him a treasure. And I just thought about that. If I do this attack, I'm going to have to back it. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to go through all that. Let's see here, whatever. Imagine is a good word. That's the sticky guy that I said was going to cause problems. Hope is a good word. I'll do family on this one. Okay, moving right along. We have friends. They can be friends. We're going to do soulful on this guy. And I believe. Hopeful. Who looks hopeful? Let's do these. These look like cardinals. So if you wanted to go through the whole process of finding a background and all that, you could, or finding a backing, you could easily back these, but again, we're not doing that today. Dreams. This guy looks dreamy. What are we down to? There's a together. On these two together. As hummingbirds, we're going to do inspire. Adventure. Some of these words are repetitive, and I'm okay with that. Traveler. Well, maybe we don't do traveler. Love. Any of these birds in love? We'll do there as love. This one is blessed. Does somebody look blessed? We'll put that on that one. Enjoy. We'll do that on the snowy one. I got glue on my fingers. This one, I would like to find something to cover that up. It's a dead critter. Yeah, we'll do that. I know it's natural, but I don't know that I want it on my journals. We're going to do embark on him. Okay. A few more. We're almost there. We're almost there. Anybody magical? Kindness was a good one. He looks like kindness. Let's look again through forever. Is a good one. Let's see here. Golly, glue on my hands. 3 more. Courage is a good one. And I'll do family or friends on this one. Okay. We got through them all. I don't know how many we ended up with, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Did I? Try the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 pieces to work with. And I'm okay with that. I like them. Some of them I really like. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite. Mainly because it has such a collage element to it with the tape and all that. But I do like them a lot. So I will stick these in my stash. And in the meantime, I have 1, 2, 3 stacks of little bird tags to ship to somebody. Make me a comment down below. I will pick and choose somehow and let you know, and we'll get them out to you. Yeah, USA, Canada, either one. So thanks for joining me on this Thrifty Thursday where I used a thrift item that I got a bunch of and just created some crazy ephemera. These will be fun to stick throughout. And again, like I said, some of these are on some cardstock already. And you can just use them as a tuck spot or a little pocket or something like that. So they'll come in handy just to add to my journals throughout this next little bit. So thanks for joining me for this Thrifty Thursday and a little twist on Thrifty Thursday. And I will see you guys next time around. Bye for now. Also, don't forget, let me know who wants these. I got 3 of them, 3 stacks of 10. Let me know below.